In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot. So you can easily use Microsoft Copilot on your Windows PC. Once you turn on your PC, you should find Copilot on your taskbar here and you can click on it and open it. You can also search for it on your computer as well and you can find Microsoft Copilot. So if I click Windows and I type in Copilot, you will see it as well and you can open it directly from here. Or at times you can also find it from your pin apps as well. So I'm going to open up Copilot. And so once you're inside Microsoft Copilot, you will notice three blocks at the bottom. This is going to show some recent conversation that you have with Copilot. Here is going to show some apps on your computer, and here's going to show some files that you've recently worked with on your PC or within Copilot as well. So it could be files that you recently download, files that you recently open, and so forth. You can find them right here. Here is a search or the message box that you type with Copilot. Here is the different language models that you can select from. Here is some more actions that you can start a new conversation, upload images, and even take a screenshot on Copilot. Here is an option which is really cool to share your screen with Microsoft Copilot. This basically allows you to share your screen and communicate with the voice. Speaking to Microsoft Copilot, ask it how to do certain things, how to ask it how to do any task or how to fix any problems on your computer or within apps. It will guide you because it can see your screen. So this is something that is really, really cool and it's a game changer at Copilot. And of course, you can speak to Microsoft Copilot and of course it will speak back to you as well. On the upper left, you can have this sidebar here. You can open up your sidebar. It's going to show your conversations as well. And of course, you can see your account and your plan right here if you click into this. And the upper right as well, and you can always close this back, right? And you have your home button right here. If you ever go into some different option, Copilot or some different chat, you can always go back to the home as well. And on the upper right hand side, you have basically open a quick view of Copilot here. You also minimize, you have the maximize button, or let's say the different, you can split your view of your screen as well. And of course, you can close the app. It is super easy to do. And here you can know basically write a draft, get some advice, learn something new, and basically make plans and create an image or whatever it is, right? So I just want to take the time to quickly go through Copilot and show you what you can do with this application. This is just a quick tutorial, but you can do so much with Microsoft Copilot. And that's it, guys. Very easy, very simple.